The roof of nearly 20 houses are overthrown in Pollonaruwa Madrigiri area due to windstorm. Also, our reporter said that the vegetable farms and fruit trees also been damaged. The windstorm has blown yesterday evening around 5:30 p.m. A heavy rainfall has been reported following the windstorm, and during the rainfall, many ice cubes also have fallen. Pollonaruwa, Mahatala Kolawela, Kahampiliyawa, Ratikawela and Sandungama are the villages which were affected by the windstorm and rainfall. Those who lost the roof of their houses are now staying with their neighbors, though no aids have been provided to them regarding the loss. In this situation, the victims request the relevant authorities to reconstruct the damages caused to their houses and help them to resettle in their own houses.